Hibiscus, Goodhull, loves moisture and sun, blooms almost daily. 2. Marigold, Genda, hardy, pest-resistant, bright yellow or orange flowers. 3. Balsam, Gulmahandi, fast-growing, colourful, perfect for monsoon beds. 4. Rain Lily, Zephyranthes, naturally blooms after rain, low maintenance. 5. Canna Lily, bold leaves and vibrant flowers, loves wet soil. 6. Periwinkle, Sadabahar, continuous bloomer, thrives in humidity. 7. Cosmos, tall, airy plants with daisy-like flowers. 8. Portulaca, moss rose, thrives in sun and rain, low-growing and colourful. 9. Zinnia, bright blooms, rain-tolerant, easy to grow. 10. Petunia, needs well-draining soil, loves monsoon sunlight breaks. 11. Taurinia, wishbone flower, shade lover, great for hanging baskets or borders. 12. Sunflower, tall, sunny blooms, grows well in open rainy patches. 13. Cleome, spider flower, tolerates moisture, attracts pollinators. 14. Gomphrena, globe amaranth, round, papery blooms, very hardy in rain. 15. Morning glory, fast vine, blooms in early morning during rainy months. 16. Impatiens, busy Lizzie, shade-loving, vibrant flower clusters. 17. Begonia, beautiful foliage and blooms, likes filtered rainwater. 18. Coreopsis, daisy-like flowers, grows even in heavy rain zones. 19. Verbena, clusters of tiny flowers, loves moist soil. 20. Celosia, coxcomb, unique flame-like flowers, withstands wet conditions well.